Chief Kirk. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try something a little different. I've never tried this before, but I'm going to try it today. I'm going to try to make a fire with a magnifying glass. And to do that, I'm going to use my trusty Swiss Army knife. This is an older model Swiss Army. It's called the Officer, and it's got all kind of neat stuff on it. I use it a lot. I love this knife. What I'm going to try to do, if I can get the sun just right, I'm going to use a piece of char cloth that I made, and I'm going to use this as my fire material if the wind don't blow it away. What I better do is lay this stick on here. Now, back when I was a little kid, we used to start fires all the time with magnifying glasses, but I haven't done that in a long time. But I've been kind of inspired by a fellow YouTuber, and his channel is David West, and that guy makes fire with unbelievable stuff. Sometimes I think he could just hold out his hand and fire with it here. He's real good at it, and I get a lot of inspiration from him. I get a lot of knowledge from him too. So if you get a chance, go check him out, David West. Great guy, good channel. So anyhow, what I'm going to try to do, if I can get this just right, I'm going to try to ignite this char cloth. And I did already. I've already ignited this char cloth. That quick, I'm amazed. We got fire. It's just that quick, just that simple, and I'm kind of amazed. But this Swiss Army knife is so handy for an awful lot of things, and it's nice to know that as long as the sun's shining, you can get a fire going if you need to. So that's pretty awesome. So I'd like to say thank you for coming with me on this little adventure here, and I hope you enjoyed it. I sure enjoyed doing it. I appreciate it. God bless you, and we'll see you on the next one.